In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust or readjust your headlight, low beam headlight for your Toyota RAV4 2020 to 2025. So if you look here, you can see there is a light level. If your light level is too high or too low, you need to readjust it. Okay, so the way we readjust your headlight level is into the back of the headlight. So open up the bonnet and we go into the back of the headlight right here, and you want to see there is a small cork right here. So if you look at my fingers, I'm pointing right here, so I'll go back and I'll show you. Okay, so that's the metal right there. So what you do, you get a screwdrivers and then you turn. You can see as we turn, that will allow you to change the low beam headlight, allowing the level to go up or down. Okay, so all you have to do is you need a screwdriver or a torque, and you turn left or you turn right. Okay, so it's right there, that metal right there, that piece right there. Okay, so you need screwdrivers. It's quite hard to do it with your finger. Alright, so every car is different. This is specific for the Toyota RAV4 2020 to 2025. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.